Hi guys, welcome back to Dave's room. As promised, this is the bonus footage of the painting of Patty the Bigfoot that I painted yesterday, which I only got a portion of the painting videoed because the camera that I used crapped out on me. It stopped recording after about 13 minutes or so, so I'm going to at least, I've had requests to show at least the painting that did get captured, so that's what I'm going to do here today. I'm going to keep it in real time since if I sped it up, it would be a really short video, so we'll just keep it in real time so you can see the process. So I'm just taping down the Strathmore watercolor paper using the blue painter's tape. I'm really upset that this didn't get fully videoed because I was really happy with the outcome. It's probably one of my favorite paintings to date, probably because I love Bigfoot so much. That's one of my, I've always been enamored with Bigfoot. I like watching all the shows. I drive everybody crazy. But it's one of the things I've loved since I was a kid, watching the In Search of with Leonard Nimoy, and just going to the library and picking up the fantastical books, the time life mystery books, which Bigfoot was really prevalent in, and of course the Patterson-gimlin footage that is the source piece for this painting that I'm doing here today, the famous photo of Patty the Bigfoot. So I'm starting off just putting down a rough guideline using my trusty Zebra Delgard 0.5 lead holder, I guess you call it. I call them mechanical pencils, but I've heard them called lead holders, so I don't know. I like mechanical pencils over lead holders, but you call it what you will, that's what it is. I'm just going in and getting the basic outline of Patty's shape. This is a different camera that I'm using. I don't know why it's shaking so badly, because the camera is positioned well above me. The only thing I can think of is that maybe the power cord, I had it plugged in and maybe the power cord was contacting the table that I was using, and that just pushed it a little bit here and there. One thing about Patty is she has a really long arm. If you see it in the source photo, like the arm is really long. If you're interested in trying this mechanical pencil, I'll leave a link in the description where you can pick it up using an Amazon link. I really enjoy it. The little top metal lid comes off on the top to expose the eraser. It's plastic, and it has a nice feel to it. I really like Zebra's writing implements. I have a metal pen of theirs that I really enjoy. So when I saw this one at the store, I said, I love Zebra pens, so I'm going to try the mechanical pencil, and I really enjoy it. So I guess since I'm drawing Bigfoot, it's appropriate to ask how many of you out there believe in the existence of this thing. I tend to believe in Bigfoot. I think that the evidence is more in favor of there being a Bigfoot than in not being a Bigfoot. I know some people will think I'm crazy, but I don't know. I just think that there's too much out there that we still don't know, and I think this is one of those mysteries that hopefully one day gets solved. I'm just giving an outline to the boulders and where they captured this footage. There was a flood had gone through there, and there was logs and big rocks, and it was just a minefield of debris. And so I'm just getting in some of the most, I guess, iconic pieces of rock and down trees and stuff like that to be showcased in the final piece. Even though it's a watercolor representation, I want to try to keep it at least somewhat realistic. I'm zooming out because I didn't realize I had it was so tightly zoomed in where you didn't see the bottom of the painting. And for this painting I am using the Kuretake watercolors again, and my Artist Loft watercolor brush set. Now the image itself, the source image, it is blurry. It is very heavily distorted. You know, the camera quality back in those days weren't the greatest, but so the background is very out of focus. It's very distorted. You can see different colors, and you can see general shapes, but you really can't tell what's there. So I'm just going to go in with the watercolors and just paint a sort of a blurred background. I'm going to start by putting a layer of water down. That's what I like to do for my backgrounds. I like to put the water down and then let the background sort of come to life as, you know, on their own. I don't really try to guide it too much. I just put, you know, let the colors do their thing and let the paints go where they go. And I really like that effect that it brings. That's one of the things I love most about watercolors, is that it just like blooms, and it, you know, what you start off with isn't exactly what you end up with. So like I said, I'm just going all around the figure of Patty and the surface area, just getting the upper ridge of that mountain that she's walking in front of. A nice coating of water so I can go in with the colors and let them do their work. So this background is just a sort of a jumble of greens and browns, a bunch of different nature tones. So I'm just trying to highlight them in a way that represent the source, what's in the source image. And I'm using my number 12 Artist Loft paintbrush to set the green in motion. I want to thank everybody for watching my videos and leaving the comments and offering any tips and advice. I appreciate all of you, and I hope you enjoy my paintings as much as I enjoy painting them. I'm still a beginner, so I have a lot to learn, but I'm having a lot of fun doing it. I'm putting in some of the darker elements of the background using just a basic brown. Just filling in the white spots now, just sort of meshing everything together there. And now I'm adding in some of the deeper shadowy tones. And unfortunately, we're coming up on the time when this video camera stopped recording. When it craps out, you'll see I'll put up an image of the final piece, then I'll show you the famous source photo, so you can compare it, my version with the original version, and then I'll go back to my version so you can start to see it swap by swap. So that's going to be happening here in a minute or two. I'm still just going in and creating, bringing that background to life, using different shades of green, because the forest behind it is just an explosion of different colors. I don't know what I'm doing here, but it's taking me forever. But that's probably maybe that's why the camera cut off. I don't know, but yeah. So I wanted to thank everybody for watching, and I'm going to be showing you the finished piece here. I hope you liked this video. Sorry that it wasn't a full video, but there it is. There's my patty, and here is the original patty, and then we go back to my patty, and I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you like my videos. Thanks. Bye-bye.